Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make Ogbono soup. Ogbono soup. So start by cooking our meat. So this is cow tail, and then we add some shaki. So you can also add fish if you want. It depends on whatever protein you want to use. It can be beef, just like what I'm using. It can be chicken, just whatever you want to do. So I add my salt. I really do really minimal spicing in my Ogbono soup. So you start by adding your seasoning to it, and then your salt, and then my pepper. So you should be very careful with the spices you add to it, because this will be the base of your soup. This is your water for your soup, so you should be careful not to add too much spice to it. And then the spice is also completely your choice too. There's no the specific recipe to Ogbono soup. Just add what you think is good and nice to your taste buds. Then you add some water. So what I normally do is that I add a little water to it for it to cook for a while, just so the meat can absorb all the spice, all the seasoning and salt. And then later I add more water to it so it will cook properly. So as you can see, my water has dried off, so the spice now is really inside the meat. So what I do is that I pour more water inside. Then let it cook, because you see this meat takes time to cook. So pour more water inside to let it cook. So my meat has been cooking for about an hour now. So what I do next is, this is my Ogbono. So I add my oil to it. This is my red oil. Mix it together. Then you place it in the pot. Remember to add a spoon to it, because this is glass, to prevent it from breaking. So you add a spoon to it. Then allow it to be hot a little, like this, and then you cover. So my Ogbono and oil has been here for about 3 minutes. So as you can see, the Ogbono is a little bit loose now. So what we do is I will pour the Ogbono inside the meat stock. So I put my Ogbono inside the meat stock, so you can see. Wow, it smells so good. Wow. So my Ogbono is cooking for about 3 minutes now, 3 to 5 minutes. So what I do is I add my spinach to it. So I'm using spinach. You can use other vegetables to make your food. So it doesn't have to just be spinach, any vegetable of your choice. So as you can see, my vegetable is already here. So your vegetable can be ugu leaf, it can be bitter leaf, just whatsoever vegetables you prefer. So for me, I'm using spinach today. This food smells so good and it tastes really good. So you have to try it. Try it and comment on my comment section, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also share to your friends to watch too.